Hi guys. All right. Welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. I'm Sai Chiran. So in this series of Docker, so we'll deploy replica sets. So in the last video, we have seen how we can ensure multiple copies of our application. So using replica set, and now let's deploy it. So firstly, before deploying it, let's understand the manifest. All right. So this is the manifest for deploying our replica set. So if you see, this is API version and this is kind. All right, so R and S so capital, so it is case sensitive. So metadata, name of our replica set, and specification. Here starts our specifications of our replica set. So here if you see, we should specify like this to define number of replicas for our application. So I'm defining 3 here. All right, if you see, if you go to your server session, give control get, you can give replica set or you can simply give rs. Okay, so both works. All right, so this is the short name for that. All right, replica set. So it says no resource found. All right, no resources found. So we do not have any replica set, so we also do not have any pods, so we have not deployed anything. So now if I deploy this replica set, we should get 3 pods because we have a count of 3 here, right? So fine. So now coming to selector, what is selector actually? So if you see, it is telling match labels app nginx dev. So what is this? This are simply tags, you know uh, which are actually attached to our objects. So if you see, we have something like template here. So the moment we see template, meaning is from here to bottom, it is all about pod specification. So now metadata labels and this pod this labels, as I told, which are nothing but tags. You can keep anything. Here it is app nginx dev. You can keep app dev, something like that. Anything you can keep. So let me tell you. So for example, here it is like app nginx dev, right? So you can keep anything like app dev or dev env, anything works. All right, it's a key value paid. All right, so now what happens is, if you see here, right, in the manifest, yeah, all right, so if you see here in the manifest, it is telling that the labels, the tags are app nginx dev. So to actually you know deploy this particular pods as part of this replica set, we need to connect this pod template to this particular replica set, right? For that reason, we definitely need tags. So if you see labels or app nginx dev, and under replica set specification, we have something like selector, where we also have match labels, which is matching this label to a pod label. So here it ensures that okay, the pods which have these labels should be deployed with 3 copies. So which will have this containers, the same nginx pod container uses same nginx image with the same port. All right, so that is the usage of selectors and labels here. So we can deploy this now. So I have this in my notepad. All right, this is one, right? So how we can do here? So we can simply give notepad space replica set rs.yml, give enter. So it will open this. All right, okay, why this is that, 1 second. I think this is some of the old file, some old file. Let's do this. So replica set.yml, enter. So yeah, it have opened an empty new file, right? So let's paste this